welcome to the channel. Today we are checking in at Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort, and we are checking into a one-bedroom villa. So without further ado, let's get into the room tour. All right, so coming into the unit here, the first thing that you're going to be greeted with is some Mary Blair inspired artwork, and here we have the partner statue outside of Magic Kingdom. For us, this corner has become luggage connection, but you also do have a little closet here. Doors have a pretty big wide span there. Extra pillow and blanket, some hangers, and a luggage rack as well. Here is your connecting door to a deluxe studio. So if you are doing a 2-bedroom here at Bay Lake Tower, your second bedroom is actually going to be a deluxe studio. So coming right off of this front part here, we're going to have our washer and dryer unit. Brand new. These rooms have been recently renovated. At the top there, you're going to have your laundry basket and then 2 things of detergent, washer at the bottom, dryer right there. And then to our right here, we're going to have our first bathroom. So we have a nice big sliding barn door. Let's see if I can turn the lights on. So here we have a tub and a shower unit. On the wall here, you're going to have your Disney soaps, body wash, conditioner, shampoo, your dryer line, and then as you can see, you have a handheld shower head and your typical Disney rain faucet. Nice kind of glossy granite back splash, and like I said, it is a tub, so be aware that you do have to step into this. Our commode is here, trash can, and then we have a little vanity mirror here, body lotion, hand soap, bath soap. And then if you open up this little drawer, hair dryer, extra toilet paper, extra facial tissue, and a little storage place there. And then you have some tissues up there, 2 towels and 2 washcloths, 2 hand towels. And then here we have some other artwork of the actual construction of the Contemporary Resort. Coming right out of the bathroom, we're going to have our main living area. One of the things that I really enjoy about this room right off the bat is how big and spacious it is. You can even just hear my voice echoing off the walls with how big this room actually is. All right, guys, so right off of the bathroom, we're going to have our main living space. This door over here is going to lead to our separate bedroom. Here we have a portrait, well, actually a photograph of Roy Disney on the opening day of Walt Disney World. This is where you're going to find your thermostat. And then right here, we're going to have a big, very long table here. I feel like the whole family can sit here. 2 end chairs, and then this super long bench. This bench looks like it could probably seat 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4 people. And so, I mean, this is really nice. But then we also have this island here. 2 plugs right there, but then we have 2 chairs here. And as you guys can see, this island, I mean, it has so much space to put all sorts of stuff when you're cooking, if you want to eat off of this island. So one of the nice things about all of the 1-bedroom villas with Disney Vacation Club is that they all come with a full kitchen. So for my foodies out there, for my moms that like to cook while you're on vacation, these are going to be a great option for you. You have a full-sized residential fridge and freezer. Check out all of that storage. 2 ice trays there. Cabinets above the fridge. This is where you're going to find, got the strainer, storage containers, metal serving bowl or mixing bowl, and then a pitcher. Soft closure cabinets, very nice touch. Over here, we're going to have our drying rack for when you're doing dishes. And then you're also going to have some cooktop cleaner. So that's for using on the stove top. And then you also have some dish detergent to use for the dishwasher, because I don't know about you guys, but I do not do dishes on vacation. Up here, we have a measuring cup and a toaster oven. In this cabinet, we have some wine glasses, juice glasses, regular drinking glasses, and disposable paper cups. Back part here, 2 outlets, 2 lights. and the garbage disposal. So we have a backlight here. Here we have our sink, dish soap, scrub brush, paper towel, ice box, Keurig coffee maker. I've used these in another unit. You can use your K-cups here. And then if you want to do a traditional 12 pot, you can also do that. Right next to that, you're going to see all your different K-cups, your coffee grinds, tea, sugar, creamer. If you ever need more of any of this, all you have to do is ask. And then over here, we're going to have a microwave. Right below the microwave is where we're going to find our stovetop. And down here, we have our oven with a adorable bow. And then we have our dishwasher. Let's see what's in this cabinet. Okay, so up here are going to be our serving dishes. So we have mugs, plates, bowls, salad bowls potentially. Up here we have a casserole dish and a baking dish. And then down here, we're going to have our receptacle cans, so recycling, regular. Here we have a pull-out or hideaway, tuck-away pantry. Bailey Tower likes to use these in the deluxe studios as well. And then coming right over here, you have another hideaway pantry. Count them up, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different shelving spaces. So you should have room for all your favorite cereals, snack items, everything. All right, guys, so coming right off of the kitchen here is where we're going to have basically our family room or our living room. Over here, we're going to have our TV. And even though this is super decorative and cute with the monorail coming out of the contemporary, this is actually dun, da, 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 a Murphy bed. And I have to say, I am an adult, but I love a good pull-down Murphy bed. I think these are so cute. It's just a unique way to sleep while you're at Disney. Here we have the classic electrical pageant parade. Oh my goodness. I don't know if anybody out there has grown up coming to Disney, but I remember seeing this parade as a little girl and I loved it. And now it's back at Disney. It's a little bit different than the original, but I'm just happy it's back. And then here, you guys are going to pull this down and it just kind of stabilizes the bed. And then over here, we have another pull-down Murphy. Here we also have our couch. And then this is actually an ottoman that moves around. You can lift this tray up and then you have storage space there. But you can also take that off and use that. Over here, as you can see, we have our Hey Disney. We have a light. And then we have 3 drawers here. We have one pretty good size here. Very good. And then on the other side of the couch here, we have a little lamp, plugs, pull-out drawer, a little bit of some shelving or storage space underneath. And then here we have some artwork, Mickey and Minnie looking at the castle. I'll see if I can pull this down just to show you guys how big it is. And then on the back splash here, you have beautiful Space Mountain. This is a pretty decent sized bed. And as you can see, the mattress is about maybe 3 inches or so. Obviously, the most comfortable bed in these units, you know, it's going to be the main bed in the 1-bedroom. But one of the cool things about these units is that they do sleep 2 people on this bed, 2 in the main bedroom, and then 1 on the Murphy. So really could fit 5 people in this room. So for larger families, this is a great option. And then here we have an egg chair. I absolutely love this. It does not swivel or spin. I wish it spun around because then it would be absolutely perfect. But you have a nice cute little egg chair and a little side table. We have our huge, huge windows, and it's so hard because they're reflecting back. So tomorrow morning, once it's light out, I will show you guys our view. But we have these privacy curtains, your blackout curtains, And then off in the distance, I don't know if you guys can see through it. Maybe if I try to cup the window a little bit, you can see the castle, Space Mountain, the tennis courts are right out there. And then coming over here, we do have our balcony. And like I said, I'll take you guys out there tomorrow morning because I think you'll be able to see it a little bit better. So let's head into the bedroom now and I'll show you everything that's to offer. All right, guys. Here we are in the bedroom part of our one bedroom villa. So here you have a full length mirror. Coming off of the mirror, you're gonna have your trash and recycling, and then we're gonna have our big bed here. Look how big this bed is. Over here we have a mural. We have little orange bird up there. This looks like Adventureland. We got Jungle Cruise. Over here we got Pirates, Enchanted Tiki Room. This is really, really cute. Right off of the bed, we're gonna have 2 lampshades, and if you look, it's kind of like the monorail's track running about. So kind of the same thing that we saw in the living area. You have your lamps with your plugs right on the lamp, telephone, you have a shelving unit here, you have your Bible, and then you have pretty long drawers here, 2 of them. This looks like it's a king-size bed to me. It's huge. And of course, our accent Mickey. Same drawers over this side, same lamp. And then you do have pass-through storage, which is super nice for suitcases. Here you have your reading lights. They automatically turn on when you lift them up. And then here is where we have our balcony entrance as well, right off of the living room. So you have the entrance there, entrance here, privacy curtains, blackout curtains. Here you have just kind of like a little seating chair. And then over here, we have a basically Frontierland inspired artwork. So we got Country Bears, Big Thunder, looks like the Liberty Bell, and then up there, the Liberty boat. And then up here we have a little hidden Mickey light here. All right, guys, so here we have the TV. We have this long, long shelving space, and then we have these individual drawers here. Pretty good width here. Kind of boxy though, so be mindful that can't fit as much in these, but you do get 6 of them. All right, so also in the one bedroom, we're gonna have a closet. Up there, you're gonna have a steam iron, extra pillow and blanket, coats, our goats. You're gonna have your ironing board, luggage rack, and a safe. Close these. And then here we are going to have our second bathroom. So again, we have our sliding glass door. We're gonna have a very large tub, as you can see. Body wash, conditioner, shampoo, bath soap, and then a pretty wide, I would say, vanity here. You have a mirror, soap, body lotion. Down here, some extra storage space with extra washcloths, receptacle can. And in here, we're gonna have our second commode, 4 towels, and a walk-in shower. It's a little bit of a step, but not too bad. And of course, you have your bench there, and then you have your pumps, rain or shower faucet, and then you also have your handheld as well. So one of the things that's really nice about this unit, as you can see, is you have 2 showers, 2 commodes, 2 sinks. So this means multiple people can be getting ready at the same time. And of course, I would be amiss if I didn't talk about the monorail accent. And I forgot to show this part of the island, guys. You have your silverware in here. Over here you have serving utensils, kitchen knife, and then some of your kitchen utensils and tools. Here we have pots and pans, extra paper towel roll, cutting board, and a casserole dish. Here we have a baking sheet, and a air fryer tray. Okay guys, so now that it is warmer and light out, I can show you guys the patio here. So coming out on the patio, you have 2 chairs and a little side table. You have a sliding door here, and that sliding door is to the bedroom. And then you have another door here that leads out from the living room. So very nice that you have multiple points of access to the balcony. As you can see, our view here, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So we have the castle, astro orbiter. I can see the top of the Tangled tower for the restrooms in Fantasyland, Space Mountain, and then Tron Light Cycle Run. And then to our right over here, we have the majestic and peaceful Bay Lake. So one of the things that I really like about this room is that it's super peaceful over here to the right, but then if you want some excitement, all you have to do is look to the left and you have the park right there. We also can see the monorail from our room. You can see the track there, and then we can see a little bit of the parking lot and the tennis courts. But really, really nice view. And we can actually see the fireworks from our room. So hopefully I'll be able to show you guys some of that tonight as well. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me for this room tour. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this room as much as I do and any questions that you may have. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to give a thumbs up just to let me know that this is videos that you guys enjoy. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now. Oh, there it is.